Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about question number first B. Find odd one out and give its explanation. We have to explain why it is a odd one. So the first question is fluorine, potassium, chlorine and iodine. So the correct option is potassium because K is placed in group first while other are placed in group 17 of the modern periodic table. The reason behind it, K is the first group element. Second question, lithium, sodium, magnesium, potassium. So the answer is magnesium because magnesium is alkaline earth metal while other are alkali metal. Third question, beryllium, helium, neon, argon. So the correct option is beryllium because beryllium is alkaline earth metal while other are noble gases. The next question is gallium, scandium, germanium, calcium. Fourth question. So the correct option is germanium. Odd one is germanium because germanium is a metalloid while others are metals. Fifth question, boron, arsenic, germanium and gallium. So the odd is gallium because gallium is a metal while others are metalloid. Sixth question is Doberanus, Newland, Mendeleus, Mosley. So the correct option is Mosley because Mosley arrange element in increasing order of their atomic number whereas other arrange element based on their atomic masses. So the correct option is Mosley, means it is odd one. 7 number, fluorine, boron, bromine, chlorine. The odd one is boron because boron is placed in group 13 while other are placed in group 17 of the modern periodic table. Next, 8 number, carbon, calcium, oxygen, neon. The odd one is calcium because calcium is S block element while other are P block element. The 9 number question is potassium, magnesium, calcium, beryllium. So the odd one is magnesium because magnesium is placed in period 3 while other are placed in period 2 of modern periodic table. So the answer is magnesium. Next question, 10 number, beryllium. Beryllium, magnesium, carbon, oxygen. So the correct odd one is same magnesium, and the same reason that magnesium is placed in period 3 while other are placed in period 2 of the modern periodic table. So the correct option or correct odd one is magnesium. Next, 11 number, voltmeter, ammeter, galvanometer and electric motor. So the correct odd one is electric motor because it generates energy while other measures the energy. Electric motor is the correct odd one. Loudspeaker, 12th number, loudspeaker, magnet, microphone, electric motor. So the correct odd one is magnet because magnet, in case of magnet is not electromagnetism, phenomenon of electromagnetism, while other devices are based on phenomenon of electromagnetism. So the correct odd one is magnet. Fuse wire, bad conductor, rubber gloves, generator. So the correct option is generator because other restrict flow of current while generator is used to produce the current. Next, tungsten, nichrome, aluminium, iron. So the correct option is nichrome because
Nichrome is an alloy used for making wire, while others are metals. The next question is boiler, electric stove, electric bulb, electric bell. So the correct option is electric bell because other are used to generate heat energy, whereas when it becomes hot, but electric bell do not produce any heat energy. Next, 16 number question. Temperature, conduction, convection, radiation. So the correct option is temperature because temperature is a degree of hotness while conduction, convection and radiation are the modes of heat transfer. Next, 17 number question. Calorie per gram degree Celsius, kilocalorie per kg degree Celsius, erg per gram degree Celsius. So the correct option is calorie per gram because calorie per gram is the unit of specific latent heat while other are unit of specific heat. Next, 18 number joule, erg, calorie, Newton. So the odd one is Newton because Newton is the unit of force while other are unit of heat energy. Next, 19 number question. Rainbow, earthquake, sunset, sunrise. So the correct option is earthquake. Other are due to different phenomenon of light, whereas earthquake is a natural disaster. So the correct option is earthquake. Question number 20. Focal length, radius of curvature, image distance, size of image. So the correct option will be size of image because all other distances are measured from the optical center along the principal axis while the size of the image is measured perpendicular to the axis. Next, 21 number question. Simple microscope, compound microscope, telescope and prism. So the odd one is prism because dispersion light wide prism shows dispersion of light while other optical instrument produced magnified image of an object. So the correct odd one is prism. Next 22 number question. Eye lens, retina, cerebrum, cornea. So the correct option is cerebellum because as we know eye lens, retina and cornea is related to eye. So cerebellum is the part of brain while other are the part of eyes. Next 23 number. Object distance, image distance, focal length, principal axis. So the odd one is principal axis. Except for principal axis, all the other quantities can be measured physically with scale, thread, etc. So the correct odd one is principal axis. Next question. Eyepiece, magnifier, kaleidoscope, telescope. So the correct option would be kaleidoscope because kaleidoscope uses mirror while other devices make use of lenses. Sodium, potassium, silver, sulfur. 25th number question. Sodium, potassium, silver, sulfur. So the correct one is sulfur because sulfur is non-metal while other are metal. Next 26th number question. Boron, chlorine, bromine, fluorine. So the correct one is boron because boron is placed in group 13 while other are placed in group 17 of modern periodic table. So the boron is correct odd one. 27th number question. Copper, iron, mercury, brass. So the correct option is brass. Brass is a metalloid while other are metal. Brass is the correct option. 29 number question. tinning, alloying, anodization, fourth flotation. So the correct one is fourth flotation, because fourth flotation is a method used for concentration of ore, while other are the method used for the preparation or prevention of corrosion. So here the odd one is fourth flotation. The reason behind it, fourth flotation is a method used for concentration of ore, while other are the method used for the prevention of corrosion. Next 30 number question. Zinc coating, tinning, electroplating, calcination. So the correct odd one is calcination, because calcination is a process involved in extraction of carbonated ore, and while others are the method used for prevention of corrosion. Next 31 number question. Sodium, potassium, copper, lithium, NaKCuL. So the odd one is Cu, copper, because copper is less reactive metal while other are highly reactive metals. Ethylene, styrene, propylene and Teflon. So the odd one is Teflon. Teflon is polymer while other are monomer unit of respective polymer. Teflon is a polymer. Next, butane, methane, benzene, ozone. So ozone is the odd one, because ozone is inorganic while other are organic compound. Next 34 number question. CH4, C2H6, C5H12, CaCO3. So the correct one is CaCO3, that is calcium carbonate, because it is an inorganic compound while other are organic compound. Next 35th number question. C2, okay, here we are going to correct the odd one, calcium carbonate, CaCO3. Next question, C2H2, C3H8, C2H6, CH4. So the correct option is C2H2, because it is ethylene, it is ethine, C2H2, and it is unsaturated hydrocarbon while other are saturated hydrocarbon. CH2 is an odd one. It is ethine, C2H2, because it is unsaturated hydrocarbon while others are saturated hydrocarbon. Next question. C2H2, C4H10, C3H8, CH4. So the correct one or the odd one is C2H4, ethene. It is ethene, because ethene is unsaturated hydrocarbon while other are saturated hydrocarbons. 37th number question is Sputnik, Moon, Shyam, Chandrayaan. So the correct odd one is Moon, because Moon is natural satellite whereas others are artificial satellite. So in this video we have discussed about question number first B. In our next video we are going to discuss about geography MCQ type of questions. So thank you friends for watching my video.